The 2025 Ford Mustang V8 is a thrilling expression of raw American muscle power wrapped in a modern, tech-savvy package. With this latest model, Ford has held true to its legacy while incorporating all the bells and whistles expected in a 21st-century performance car. The heart of the Mustang V8 remains its signature engine, a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated Coyote V8 that delivers an impressive horsepower rating well above 480 horsepower. The rumble and growl of this engine are pure auditory bliss for enthusiasts and driving purists alike. Whether paired with a 6-speed manual transmission for that classic driving feel or an optional 10-speed automatic for more seamless performance, the Mustang V8 offers exhilarating acceleration and strong torque, ensuring a thrilling ride. Ford has finely tuned the suspension, giving it improved handling dynamics and better cornering capabilities without compromising comfort on longer drives. The optional MagneRide damping system adapts to road conditions in real time, enhancing both sportiness and daily drivability. In terms of design, the 2025 Mustang V8 features sharper lines and a wider, more aggressive stance. The updated front fascia, bold LED lighting signature, and sculpted hood all point to its performance DNA. The rear includes a new set of taillights and quad exhaust tips that visually and audibly assert the car's attitude. Aerodynamic upgrades like a front splitter, rear diffuser, and optional rear wing help increase stability at high speeds while giving it a race-ready look. The cabin receives a big upgrade with modern touches everywhere. Ford has gone fully digital with a customizable 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch center touchscreen running the latest Sync 4 software. Drivers have access to wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a B&O premium sound system that turns every drive into an experience. A redesigned flat-bottom steering wheel and bolstered Recaro seats make the cabin feel like a cockpit, while ambient lighting adds a premium feel. The Mustang now supports over-the-air updates, so features can be improved and added remotely without a trip to the dealership. Safety and driver assist technologies also make a strong appearance in this generation. Ford Copilot 360 is standard, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. Track-focused tools like line lock and launch control return, giving adrenaline junkies the tools they need for the strip or autocross events. An optional performance pack adds a Torsen limited slip rear differential, upgraded Brembo brakes, and a sport-tuned exhaust system. Despite its high performance, the 2025 Mustang V8 remains a livable daily driver with respectable fuel efficiency for its class. With selectable drive modes including normal, sport, track, slippery, and drag strip, drivers can fine-tune the car's response based on mood or road condition. It's also worth noting the chassis improvements that have enhanced ride quality and reduced cabin noise, making long trips more enjoyable. For collectors and fans of special editions, the Mustang GT V8 is expected to come with performance trims like the Dark Horse and other limited-run models offering exclusive paint colors, badges, and tuned powertrains. These trims are designed not just for show but to dominate track days with superior cooling systems, unique suspension setups, and performance tires. The Mustang's legacy as a pony car is alive and thriving with this new iteration. While it retains the familiar formula of a long hood and short deck, it brings in new life through digital connectivity, safety technology, and performance engineering. This is a car that pays homage to its roots while confidently driving into the future. It continues to cater to a wide audience, from purists who want manual gears and roaring engines to tech lovers who appreciate smart connectivity and modern styling. So whether you are a longtime Mustang fan or someone considering your first foray into the world of American muscle cars, the 2025 Ford Mustang V8 makes a compelling case. It is more than just a performance machine, it is a statement, a piece of automotive culture that refuses to fade away in a world moving towards electrification. Thanks for watching this detailed review on USA Mastermind, where we bring you the most exciting updates, reviews, and insights from the world of American motoring excellence. If you found this video helpful and want to keep up with the latest car reviews, specs breakdowns, and future vehicle previews, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us keep delivering top-tier automotive content.